You guys gotta check this out. This is a 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. We've got the new signature LED headlights, fog lights down low, front parking sensors, front tow recovery hooks. We've got that Denali grille that everybody loves. Bose premium audio. This is what it looks like when you get behind the wheel of the truck for the first time. We've got a 15-inch multicolor heads-up display, 12.3-inch fully customizable digital instrument cluster, 13.4-inch full-color touch display. The new Google Maps in here works awesome. Heated seats, ventilated seats, trailer brake controller, plenty of 6.6-liter V8 under the hood, but now it's paired up to the 10-speed Allison transmission. New 20-inch Denali HD wheels. This is what the back of the truck looks like. Trailer tow package all set up. Rear backup sensors, rear backup camera, multi-pro tailgate, factory spray and bed liner, jet black leather interior, places to plug in, big center console, wireless charging mat, power outlet, USB, USB-C, video mirror, big power moonroof. Seats up front are gorgeous. You've got the Denali embroidered into the back of the seat. We've got this cross stitching, piping, contrast stitching. Not a bad way to spend 80 grand. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.